Now talking to the most important aspect of this digital marketing, career, which means being a digital marketer. First of all, I always say one thing. I mean, you are learning digital marketing. So you will think like, okay, I am going to learn so much topic. Okay. I'm going to learn so many topics. But those topics are nothing but a designation. Okay. Example. If you want to become a digital marketing manager, which is the top priority role everyone wants to become, you start your career as a what? Digital marketing specialist. And then you can reach out to digital marketing manager, where you can lead the team. But leading a team means what? For example, this is one topic that you are going to learn in digital marketing. Now, this topic is what? Designation, which means if I search something on Google, okay, let's take an example. If I search something on Google, okay, I want to know about Apple versus OnePlus. Okay, Apple versus OnePlus. I want to know about this thing. And suddenly, Tata Capital website comes on the top position. Most of you, 90% of the people, will either go for the first result, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, like this. But have you ever went to the fifth page? You know, I want to see result from fifth page only. I want to see the result from sixth page. Have you ever seen such type of thing? Any user is doing? No, because it is our tendency like we saw something, we got few results, first few results like 1, 2, 3, 4, and we enter to the website. But these are also websites, na? So if you work as a SEO executive, your role is to bring out these websites on the top position. Right now, this page, this entire websites are in the sixth page, and no user will visit on a sixth page. What is your role? Your role is to move the sixth page websites on a top position, fifth page top, fourth page top, third page top, second page top. And this you do through search engine optimization, which we are going to learn in depth in the coming days. We have an entire lecture built on the search engine digital marketing. Okay. So let me just talk about the careers. So this is something that comes under SEO, search engine optimization. Talking to social media, there was a time, okay, when we used to use Facebook, and our mothers used to say like it is totally waste of time. Okay, you have to study. I mean, obviously that is the normal trends. But using Facebook was waste of time that time. But right now, brands are paying money to the people who can handle their social media account, and that is what? Social media manager. Okay, a social media executive, a person who is responsible for managing social media, Facebook, Twitter, Insta, LinkedIn, all the social media for companies, they are getting paid. Now what else you want? Okay, talking about the content marketing. Content is the king. Yes. For example, let me give one example. Okay, then you can relate it better way. Do you follow Zomato? I'm sure most of you have followed Zomato. Okay. Okay, I want you to spend some time on just look at the Zomato tweets. Okay. So what happened if you just look at the tweets from Zomato? I mean, this is nothing. They just want to connect with the customer. Okay, we actually doing gossip. Guys, कभी कभी घर का खाना भी खा लिया करो. Then it is what they are trying to communicate. If I take one more example, this is something they are trying to relate with the trends. Always, if something is trending, okay, they go for it. Okay, एक girl does so as dinner चाकी खाओगे, and something they are related to what? Punjabis. Okay, so if you just look at here, See, I mean, for example, I want to provide some, yeah, just look at here. Women's belong in the kitchen. Yes, women should be in the kitchen. Now, happy Women's Day. So this is something like they want to target. Okay, they're the strong messages. And who write these strong messages? Okay, you can see here, save water. Now, something. I mean, this is like you will be gone hilarious. Okay, if you see Zomato tweets on so many brands, like whatever is trending, they always go for it. If you go for Triparal, they might have related. Okay, uh, something goes boycott also. Fine, that is another thing. Okay. Now, if I talk about content is the king, we know everyone knows the content is the king. Okay, but who writes those content? The content writers. So talking about content marketing is trending. Okay, people write content marketing and they're getting paid for it. Email. I'm sure you will say, I never check emails. Okay, but you don't. I mean, you won't believe. Email is something that give you revenue. Whenever you have to purchase a product, the final trust is what emails create. Okay, you have to pay the link. Okay, please send me the mail. I will pay through it. Give me a payment link on email. So email is something which is like the trust of any brand. Okay, if you don't trust a brand, someone is emailing you, you will never buy a product. So there will be a time in a company where you have to send thousands of mails to a person. And how you can send? Through email marketing. So again, this is a great career option. Talking to PPC. Now this is something which is again one of the highest paid thing in digital marketing, which we already discussed. PPC stand for pay per clicks. We'll talk more about in depth. But talking about Times of India or any website, you see ads. If you visit YouTube, see advertisement. You can see here ads, 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 so much of ads. Now this is something called PPC. This comes under pay per clicks, which is paid marketing. If you saw something which we already discussed, for example, we searched about what? Mobile phones. Okay. Now what you see here? Ad. So these are PPC, which means you will be working as a paid marketing expert where you are responsible for creating so much PPC ads. Now talking about next thing. Okay, mobile marketing, web analytics. Now we discussed like okay, digital marketing give you data. But do you want to know like how many people visited your website, which location, what is the age group, what's the interest, okay, what's the demographic, are they married or what? Entire data can be tracked if you're working as a web analyst. Okay, which means you are able to respond. Okay, whoever is coming to a website, you are able to recall the person through data driven fact. So this is something you will be working here as a data analyst. Mobile marketing. If I ask you, like you have to make a payment, okay, through payment gateway, you prefer to go Paytm app, you prefer to go PhonePe app, but have you ever paid something visiting Paytm website on Google? I will visit website and I will pay. No. Nowadays, these apps are trending. Trending means what? They make information easily accessible to the consumer. So we want someone who can manage all the apps, okay, who can market the app. So mobile marketing is also trending. Now talking about the last, okay, digital marketing coordinator is something which you start your career and you reach out to digital marketing manager. But video marketing is like you won't believe people are giving a paid, okay, handsome salary to the people who can manage the YouTube channel. Only managing the YouTube channels, people are getting paid and they're getting good salary. Now, what else you want? So this is again a good thing. So these are some career options that you can make here in the world of digital marketing. Okay, so these are the career options here.